I love this one. I use it all the time. It's called automatic subtitles. So you can actually have your video automatically have the subtitles on the video straight away. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. I've got a clip down the bottom here which goes for about 8 seconds, which has me talking. And to create automatic subtitles, all you need to do is select your audio file, go up to timeline at the top here, scroll down and select create subtitles from audio and do create. And as you can see there, the subtitles turn up on the top there. Now if I scroll through, you'll see it working. It's connected wirelessly to your phone, so you can actually press the button and shoot photos and video as if it was an actual camera, not just a phone. All these subtitles are actually editable. You can change the look and feel of them. I've highlighted the whole lot over here. You go over to Inspector, click on the track. You can change the color, for instance. We're going to change it to like a green, maybe a bright green, for instance. You can change the size. You can do the line spacing. You can put it up and down. You can add a drop shadow. Anything you do to a normal text you can do here, and you press play. So you can actually press the button and shoot photos and video as if it was. Now if you only wanted to edit one of those, you would just select one of those files and do the editing. If you want to select all at once, that's how you do it. And while we're on the subject of automatic subtitles, the next one is transcribe audio. Now what this does is it transcribes everything that's said in the video and puts it up on the screen. The great thing is you can edit by text. So you can select a section of text and just delete it, and that will cut the video exactly where you deleted it. You can cut out a whole sentence. It'll cut the video at the same time. And where I use this one personally is if I've done a long video for, say, a real estate agent who's done a market update, but they want a cut down version for Instagram or something like that. I will transcribe the finished product, cut out the stuff that I think is fluff, and it'll bring the video right down. And of course, then I export it in vertical format and away they go. Now to transcribe audio. If you're going to transcribe the audio on a video, you click on the video, but if you've got an audio file you want to transcribe, you can do it that way as well. Let's click on the video here, for instance. Go over to this little button under the media pool, and that will transcribe that audio. Now you can see the whole transcription is saved. So if there's certain parts of this you like, you can literally select this bit here, for instance, and you can make that into a subclip, which is you click on this button here, and this will just be that section. So it'll create a clip that is just that piece of the dialogue. So for instance, you've got all your script and you think, I only like this bit, create a subclip, create. I only like this bit, create a subclip, create. And it does it in sequence, so you can literally just load them into your timeline and they'll be all cut for you, ready to go. If you're a beginner and you're new to Davinci Resolve, then you're going to love this next video here, which is 36 shortcuts that you really have to know to make your life a lot easier. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.